TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. This one pays very, very well, so we will not waste any time. We will dive right in. The company Spring Health is hiring a medical records coordinator. Now, do not let the word coordinator fool you. They're really just looking for someone to process medical records requests, and they pay very well for doing that. So the main things you'll be doing are uploading medical record requests and patient authorization forms, including processing medical record requests. You'll build relationships with providers, patients, and the internal teams. You'll provide weekly metrics on new, in progress, and completed medical record requests. You may occasionally have to answer phone calls or emails to assist patients and patient support tickets if they need help asking for medical records or putting in a medical records request. Of course, you'll be held to HIPAA standard guidelines. You'll have to maintain a consistent workflow by processing all requests within 24 to 48 hours of receipt. Now, they do not require a lot of experience, only 1 year experience in a similar role of medical records department. They want someone who has understanding of medical terminology and HIPAA laws, someone who has great communication skills, great attention to detail, and of course is experienced using Microsoft Office, Google Sheets, Google Docs, something of that nature. You have the ability to multitask and you are tech savvy. Now, if that is you, this job pays very well. The target salary range is anywhere from $26 an hour all the way up to $31 an hour. And of course, they also offer all kinds of benefits, including, it says, generous medical, dental, and vision coverage. That coverage starts on day one of your employment. They also offer paid time off. They offer $500 a year wellness reimbursement, so you can use that to pay for gym memberships or whatever the case may be. And they also offer a 401k with a match. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.